Hi guys, I'm Priyanshi and I'm a CA final student. I'm also currently working. Today I have with me Tushar. He's currently pursuing his Masters in Pharmaceutical Sciences and has already completed his Bachelor's in Pharmaceutical Sciences. He's also a great swimmer. He has 70 plus medals across different swimming competitions. So I thought I'll bring him to the channel to share his experience. So Tushar, my first question to you is, how did you decide to take up pharmaceutical sciences?
Growing up, I had a lot of interest in chemistry. I was really fascinated by the fact that how a minute change in chemical structure can lead to change in its biological activity. And I always wanted to know how drugs act in our body and more about them. And I always wanted to be a major part in novel innovations for drug research and development. And what better way to pursue it than this?
I think it's great that you pursued your interest, Tushar. So my second question to you is, what are some of the professions that people can get into after doing a course in pharmaceutical sciences?
The pharmaceutical science combines a broad range of scientific disciplines which are critical to the discovery and development of new drugs and therapies. After pursuing bachelor or master, people can explore various fields such as regulatory scientists for agencies like Food and Drug Administration, researchers at national laboratories such as National Institute of Health. Also, people can explore various fields in research and development where they can contribute immensely to the pharmaceutical industry. I am pursuing masters in pharmacology. People can opt jobs such as regulatory officers, toxicologists, where various toxicity studies for the drug is being done, and clinical research coordinator. So these are the few options where people can go or pursue their interest in pharmaceutical science.
Thank you for sharing that, Tushar. It was really informative. My next question is towards swimming. So I want to know, how did you discover your passion for swimming, and could you please share some of your achievements with us?
So growing up, I didn't really enjoy going out for practice sessions, working out for hours, while on the other hand, my friends used to chill, hang out and play games. My dad really played a crucial role in pushing me and making me understand the importance of sport in my life, as it teaches you some of the most important lessons in your life. Still, I didn't find that drive until I won my first medal in 6th grade. The satisfaction of that moment was beyond imagination and it cannot be described in words. Since then, it was difficult for me to stop. I went on to take part in different competitions, winning different medals. Now till date I have 70 gold medals on my name, competing in various championships, and one of the major accomplishment is that at my university level I was selected to play for All India Inter-University Swimming Championships.
That's great, Tushar. Kudos to you for actually going ahead and doing that. So my next question is, how did you manage a full-time course in pharmaceutical sciences, a bachelor's and a master's, along with so many swimming competitions, because it gets really difficult to manage sometimes?
Well, as it is said, your passion and your dedication leads you to your desired goal. So that's how it worked for me. Both my academics and my inevitable passion for swimming never let me stop myself. So talking about management, if you think that you have to manage all this together, it's a bit difficult. I took it as my hobby, made it my passion, and lastly it all became my routine. So it was not difficult at all lately. Lastly, I would like to say, for those who are finding it difficult to create a balance, not only in sports but any other extracurricular activities and their academics, is don't take it as a burden. Enjoy every bit of it. Try to find that driving force which will ultimately lead to your goal.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Tushar, and thank you so much for doing this interview. So there are a lot of myths around this that, if you're pursuing an academic course which is very demanding, then you can't pursue anything alongside that and you cannot follow your other passions. So guys, please share this video with all your friends out there who have taken up science and are interested in science and are still deciding which courses they want to take up, because this could be a great option for somebody who's interested in this line. So do like, share, comment and subscribe and share this with everyone. Thank you so much for watching.